Television companies by cable may not agree with us divulging this secret. Here, we will teach you how to build a high-definition antenna, full HD, using few materials and in a short time. To begin, we will need a coaxial cable. Using a cutter, we will carefully remove the first outer layer of the cable. Once the first layer is removed, we will proceed to remove the second layer of the coaxial cable. We will cut this layer slightly above the first one. Then, we will take a SIM card, and using a heater and wire, we will connect it to the coaxial cable. This SIM card will serve as part of the design to capture signals. At the opposite end of the coaxial cable, we will cut all the layers until we reach the central wire. With this trick, you will not need to buy expensive cables or wires to watch your movies, as it will help you, and best of all, it will work better than the original cables. Next, we will install a connector at the end of the cable. Then, we will place a plastic tube and secure it carefully using a heat source to seal it. To continue, we will cut almost all the wire of the coaxial cable, leaving only a small portion. Later, we will fix this end with a screw on the coaxial cable connector. Once these steps are completed, we will proceed to test this ingenious homemade trick. We will place the part of the cable with the connector on the television and position the other part of the antenna above it. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite channels, series, and movies without any reception problem. This homemade antenna construction method uses simple but effective techniques to take advantage of the properties of the coaxial cable in high-definition signal transmission. By properly manipulating the layers of the cable and using common materials such as the SIM card and a plastic tube, it is possible to optimize the reception of television signals without the need for expensive or complicated equipment.